Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can put into dy over dx. Next, dx we put on the right. 1 plus e to the power of y and e to the power of y we put on the left. So we have like this. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 plus e to the power of y. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about e to the power of y dy. This one we change by u. E to the power of y dy we change by du. The integration of this one you got about ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the second one. We continue use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about 2s ds. This one we change by u. 2s ds we change by du. The integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.